Hello and welcome to Marketing Over Matter. My name's Jonathan Delamater and I'm going to teach you how to make viral thumbnails that send your videos to the moon, baby.
Marketing, business, money, mindset.
You know, I'm a designer myself and I think I'm pretty good, but you know, as long as you get somebody who understands these concepts and they are a designer, they're going to take you places that you've never been before. And you know, you don't have to spend a fortune. You find someone on Fiverr, you know, people who know Photoshop, they can manipulate images and they can cut things out and do whatever you want. And you just try to train them to understand these methods. Heck, show them this video. I'll talk to them and I get results.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
So let me know. And yeah, so send them the video, get them to understand what makes a thumbnail go viral. It's just like anything else, you have to be obsessed. You gotta obsess over what is working and what isn't. Analyze. You have to be the best. Aim to always be the best. And you will be the best. You will get there. It just takes time. Hire a professional who knows what they're doing. Get Tubebuddy. You know, have two competing thumbnails at once. Make sure you know what's, you know, always choose winning thumbnails. And slowly your YouTube channel will just spiral out of control, and then boom, you're on TV interviewing with Dr. Phil. Hopefully not him. I don't watch TV, so. So I've left also some links in the description on a couple great designers I found on Fiverr that I think you guys will really love and aren't too expensive. You know, like I said, I'm a designer myself, so I have very high standards when it comes to this stuff. You can trust me. They're good. Choose them. They'll help you. And you're on your way to, you know, an explosive YouTube channel. Pow! That's my catchphrase. I'll see you guys later. And I hope you enjoyed the program. It's been Marketing Over Matter. I'm Jonathan Delamater. Y'all take it easy. If you guys got value out of this video, just please be sure to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that bell button. And share like the cows aren't coming home. Share like Cher herself would. And stay tuned for the next episode where I share even more secrets on how to make viral thumbnails that send your videos to the moon. I'll see you guys there, and thank you so much for watching.